Juan 2024 marks a historic and joyful moment as we gather for the inauguration ceremony of the Hope Channel Southern Mindanao News Studio. This is more than just an event. It is a testimony of God's abundant blessings and the power of faith in action.
Missionaries, in the name of our Lord, I want to say congratulations to all of us. I am so deeply happy and grateful to have you present today, whose generosity has made this Hope Channel Southern Mindanao Studio a reality. As you look around, this is one of the beautiful places to say right here in the campus of Southern Mindanao Mission. Dili ni mahitabo kung wala mo nagpalayo ni nabuhat. It is very amazing to know where we did get the money to continue constructing this beautiful studio. To our sponsors, I would like to request you to stand today. We are so happy and proud to have you in a special project of our Hope Channel Southern Mindanao.
2014, isa lang ginagkamera sa Hope Official. But we are fortunate kaya nga itong mga volunteers na ikaguling kong kamera. Dahil ikaguling kong kamera na sila yung magdala, mga gamit. Magkakaon lang, kaya mga awang din sa WOMS, kaya marunong yun na, mga awang dito kung naikaot, iwan mo dito. Muna ang pagsugod yan sa Hope Channel sa Southern Mindanao, it's very challenging, but
that was the first time nga naka-receive ko o something.
dili ko katuong nga moabot sa ingani. Ang Hope Channel sa Southern Mindanao. Mga kapaglaon, makita ginato na within the years, 12 years, 2012, and we are now 2024, makita ginato at manalangin sa Ginoo sa media ministry. Makita nato daghan ang conversion stories, daghan na kayo ng baptize, tungod sa radio, tungod sa atong live sa social media. Unang makaingon yung na God is with us.
As we celebrate this milestone, let us move forward with hope and courage. And this is just the beginning of the greater things God has in store for Hope Channel Southern Mindanao. To Him be all the glory. This is Adeline Kente reporting from Hope Channel Southern Mindanao.